Today, we're going to show you how to wrap a rear bumper. First thing is first, as always, you need to make sure your room temperature environment is between 16 to 23 degrees Celsius, and also it has to be clean. So grab a vacuum or a broom, sweep away any dust or particles. So now it's time to measure it up. Grab a measure tape, do it accurately for the rear bumper, and then cut a piece of vinyl according to the size of the rear bumper, and also leaving a bit of extra space for some wiggle room later. So what you want to do is pop open your trunk for better access, and then consider removing the rear lights. Now if you want to leave it on, that's okay, just make sure you grab some masking tape and run the masking tape along the bottom edges of the lights. Next, let's clean that bumper like it's never seen dirt before. Use a car cleaning solution and a microfiber towel for a deep clean. Now once it's clean, you're going to spray on a slip solution for easier vinyl movement. Finally, it's time to degrease the edges. Okay, now we're going to get the vinyl ready. Having a helper is always ideal for larger areas like the rear bumper. Carefully remove the vinyl liner and lay it on a clean surface. Now it's time to wrap. Use a heat gun to gently warm the vinyl with overlapping heat as we lightly hold it off the surface, making it a bit more pliable. Let the vinyl relax onto the surface before applying it with a squeegee. Then, slightly spread the vinyl and set it in place. We're almost ready to squeegee now. A light mist of slip solution on the squeegee helps to prevent scratches and aids in the smoothing process. We're going to work from one side of the bumper to the other with our squeegee. Add a little heat to relax the vinyl if needed during the process. Now make sure to use our free hand to hold the vinyl clear until it's fully adhered. Once everything is set, tuck the vinyl edges tightly and trim away excess material. For the top section, leave about 0.3 centimeters to wrap around the upper side. Then use a bit of heat and relief cuts when wrapping around the upper side, and seal the edge when it's done. Heat and stretch the overlaying panel before anchoring it in the middle of the upper section. Make relief cuts right away in the middle and separate the panel into two pieces. Squeegee the material into place, make relief cuts and heat the film when needed. Once it's finished, and seal the edges. So now we're almost done. What we've got to do now is to inspect the rear bumper one more time. Last but not least, we need a heat gun for that post heating to really settle that wrap in. Once your post heating is done, your wrapping is also done. And there you go, a beautiful rear bumper.